Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Today we're uncovering 12 surprising ways people unknowingly sabotage their wealth. You might be shocked at how simple, everyday habits can drain your finances over time, without you even realizing it. From impulse spending to overlooked savings opportunities, these common mistakes could be quietly holding you back from financial success. But don't worry, once you recognize them, you can take control and start making smarter money moves. Stay tuned as we reveal these wealth-draining pitfalls and, most importantly, how to avoid them. Number 1. Ignoring small expenses. Many people underestimate the impact of small, recurring expenses, often leading to what's known as death by a thousand cuts in personal finance. These seemingly insignificant costs can accumulate over time, resulting in substantial financial loss. For instance, consider those monthly subscription services you rarely use, or that daily coffee run that adds up quickly. While each expense may feel trivial in isolation, together they can drain your budget without you noticing. To combat this, it's essential to track and evaluate your small expenses regularly. By doing so, you can identify areas to cut back and redirect those funds toward more meaningful financial goals. Number 2, neglecting emergency funds. Having an emergency fund is crucial for maintaining financial stability, yet many people overlook its importance. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, can quickly derail your budget and lead to debt. Without a safety net, even minor emergencies can feel overwhelming. Financial experts recommend aiming for an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This cushion can provide peace of mind and protect you from financial setbacks. If you haven't started building your emergency fund yet, now is the perfect time to begin. Start small and watch your savings grow to safeguard your financial future. Number 3, overlooking retirement savings. Delaying retirement savings can have serious consequences for your financial future. The earlier you start saving, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. For instance, contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs can significantly boost your savings, especially if you take advantage of employer matching contributions. Even small, consistent contributions can add up to a substantial nest egg by the time you retire. It's essential to prioritize retirement savings in your financial planning. Don't wait. Start today to secure a comfortable and stress-free retirement down the road. Number 4, impulse buying. Impulse purchases can often lead to financial regret and wasted money, leaving you with items you don't truly need. Common examples include trendy gadgets, clothing, or even snacks that catch your eye while shopping. To combat this habit, consider implementing strategies like waiting 24 hours before making a purchase. This simple pause can help you evaluate whether the item is truly necessary. Additionally, creating a shopping list before heading out can keep you focused and reduce the temptation to buy on a whim. By being mindful of your spending habits, you can save money and make more intentional purchases that align with your financial goals. Number 5, not shopping around. Failing to shop around can lead to overpaying for products and services, significantly impacting your budget. Many consumers miss out on savings by not comparing prices before making a purchase. For example, when it comes to insurance, utilities, or travel bookings, even small differences in price can add up over time. By taking the time to research and compare options, you can find better deals that fit your needs. I encourage you to utilize comparison websites to easily evaluate prices and services. This simple step can help you make informed decisions and ultimately save you money, allowing you to allocate those funds toward more important financial goals. Number 6, ignoring credit scores. Neglecting your credit score can significantly impact your financial opportunities and costs. A good credit score is essential for securing favorable loan terms and mortgages, as it often determines the interest rates you'll receive. Higher scores can lead to lower monthly payments and substantial savings over time. To maintain and improve your credit score, regularly check your credit report for errors and pay your bills on time. Additionally, keep your credit utilization low and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. I encourage you to monitor your credit regularly to stay informed and take proactive steps toward enhancing your financial health. Number 7, paying only minimum balances. Paying only the minimum on your credit card balances can be a dangerous financial habit. While it may seem manageable, this approach allows interest to accumulate, increasing your debt over time and prolonging your repayment period. For instance, a small balance can quickly balloon due to high interest rates, making it harder to escape the cycle of debt. To pay off credit card debt faster, consider strategies like the avalanche or snowball method, where you focus on either the highest interest rates or the smallest balances first. I encourage you to create a debt repayment plan that outlines your goals and timelines, helping you regain control of your finances. Number 8, neglecting financial education. Continuous financial education and awareness are crucial for making informed decisions about your money. A lack of knowledge can lead to poor financial choices, such as overspending, inadequate savings, or falling into debt. To empower yourself, consider exploring various resources like books, podcasts, and online courses that cover personal finance topics. There are countless options available, from budgeting and investing to retirement planning. I encourage you to invest time in learning about personal finance, as this knowledge can significantly improve your financial health and help you achieve your goals. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to make sound financial decisions. Number 9, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Get-rich-quick schemes and scams can be enticing, but they often come with significant risks. Common examples include multi-level marketing, Ponzi schemes, and dubious investment opportunities promising unrealistic returns. Recognizing these scams is crucial. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always approach such offers with skepticism and conduct thorough research before committing any money. Instead of chasing quick riches, I encourage you to focus on sustainable wealth-building strategies, such as budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Building wealth takes time and effort, but the rewards are far more reliable and fulfilling than any fleeting scheme. Number 10, not taking advantage of employer benefits. Failing to utilize employer-sponsored programs can mean missing out on significant financial benefits. Many employers offer perks like matching contributions to retirement accounts, which is essentially free money that can boost your savings. Understanding your benefits package is crucial. Take the time to review it and identify all available options, such as health savings accounts, flexible spending accounts, and educational assistance. By maximizing these benefits, you can enhance your financial security and set yourself up for a more comfortable future. I encourage you to fully explore what your employer offers and make the most of these valuable resources to strengthen your financial well-being. Number 11, living beyond means. Maintaining a lifestyle that exceeds your income can have serious consequences, leading to financial strain and stress. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle inflation, often occurs when individuals increase their spending as their income rises, resulting in a cycle of debt and financial instability. To combat this, it's essential to create a budget that reflects your true financial situation and helps you live within your means. Prioritize your needs over wants, focusing on essential expenses and savings. I encourage you to evaluate your spending habits and make conscious choices that align with your financial goals, ensuring a more secure and sustainable future. Number 12, failing to plan for taxes. Tax planning and preparation are essential for maintaining financial stability. Unexpected tax bills can catch you off guard, leading to stress and potential cash flow issues. To avoid this, it's important to understand available tax deductions and credits that can help maximize your savings. For instance, contributions to retirement accounts or education expenses may qualify for deductions that lower your taxable income. I encourage you to take the time to research these opportunities and consider consulting with tax professionals for personalized guidance. By proactively planning for taxes, you can minimize surprises and ensure that your financial health remains intact throughout the year. In this video, we explored several key financial pitfalls that can lead to wealth loss, including ignoring small expenses, neglecting emergency funds, and falling for get-rich-quick schemes. We emphasize the importance of being proactive in your financial habits, from budgeting and tax planning to maximizing employer benefits. By recognizing these common mistakes, you can take control of your financial future and make informed decisions. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community focused on achieving financial health and success.